Teachers' Day. Teachers are nation builders. They spread the light of education and the knowledge all around. Let's start today's program. I invite all the teachers to come on stage. Our program with a prayer. Here comes Sania to sing the prayer song.
ഗുരുപാദമേ ആത്മചൈതന്യമേ വഴി നീ തെളിക്കണമേ നിരദീപമേ സ്നേഹ സൗന്ദര്യമേ കൂട്ടായി വന്നിടണേ ഗുരുപാദമേ ആത്മചൈതന്യമേ വഴി നീ തെളിക്കണമേ നിരദീപമേ സ്നേഹ സൗന്ദര്യമേ കൂട്ടായി വന്നിടണേ സൗഹൃദം പൂത്തിടും കാലമാക്കിയിടണേ തേജസ്സിലൊന്നായി നീങ്ങുവാൻ കനിയണേ ഇരുളിൽ വെളിച്ചമായി തിരിയായി തെളിഞ്ഞിടാൻ തന്നിടണേ നവ്യ ചൈതന്യമെന്നുമേ തന്നിടണേ നവ്യ ചൈതന്യമെന്നുമേ സ്വർഗം തെളിച്ചൊരു വഴിയെ നടക്കുവാൻ നന്മതൻ വെട്ടം തെളിച്ചിടുവാൻ സ്വർഗം തെളിച്ചൊരു വഴിയെ നടക്കുവാൻ നന്മതൻ വെട്ടം തെളിച്ചിടുവാൻ കരുതലായി കാവലായി ഗുരുകൃപയോടെ നീ എന്നുമെൻ ജീവിത പാതയിൽ നിറയണേ എന്നുമെൻ ജീവിത പാതയിൽ നിറയണേ ഗുരുപാദമേ ആത്മചൈതന്യമേ വഴി നീ തെളിക്കണമേ നിരദീപമേ സ്നേഹ സൗന്ദര്യമേ കൂട്ടായി വന്നിടണേ കൂട്ടായി വന്നിടണേ.
Thank you, Sania, for morning pouring of golden glory on the air. Without a word of welcoming, we don't feel comfort. So, here comes Master Kevin Thomas with his welcoming notes.
Good morning to one and all. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasve Sri Guruve Namaha. With a cup of hot smile, the golden glory of this morning is on the air. The Honorable Principal Reverend Sister Shalma Kuriakos, our loving manager Reverend Sister Alice George, our Vice Principal Reverend Sister Manju George, most respected teachers and my dear friends. It gives us immense pleasure today. None of us can deny that mother gives us birth, but a good teacher can give life. If someone asks me to define teacher, I would like to define a teacher as a multitasking educational rock stars who lives to inspire and loves to encourage. Today, we all of us assemble here to acknowledge the contribution of all our teachers for giving a new meaning to our life. On this auspicious day, my heart is full of gratitude because the efforts and trust you invest in ordinary students like us put us to extraordinary tasks in our life. My pranamam. Let me move on my duties. It is to welcome you all to this scintillating events. First and foremost, I would like to welcome beloved Principal Reverend Sister Shalma Kuriakos to this program. You are the guiding star to coordinate for the smooth functioning of the institution. Welcome, dear sister, in our midst. Let me welcome our manager, Reverend Sister Alice George, who are the inspirator, the lighthouse of Janines. a spirit of illumination, I do here welcome dear sister for this day's program. Now, our Vice Principal Reverend Sister Manju George, whose extraordinary capability of encouragement and support that glosses our institution. Welcome dear sister for this day's program. Now, it is our teachers. I have no words to say much. You are everything. Everywhere, every beat of our heart, every drops in our blood. Your support and motivation, all. Dear teachers, you are the rock stars today. I extend a hearty welcome to you all, my dear teachers. Now, you, my dear friends, you are the beats of St. John's. I cordially welcome you all on this special day. Once again, on this auspicious occasion, I do extend my hearty welcome to you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Kevin, for your welcoming speech. It has touched in everyone's heart. Our gurus are the epitome of knowledge and ethics. So, here comes Miss Blessy Sanjam with the day's message.
Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is brighter for all of us. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. Every year, 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with lots of excitement, joy and happiness. As students are eagerly looking forward to their teachers, how and why are they special to them? It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year in India. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, and Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader in the form of President of country, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Thank you, teacher, for inspiring me, for guiding me and making me as I am. Thank you and have a marvelous day.
Thank you, dear Blessy, for your touching message. Now, let me call upon the Master Kailas dear for a solo.
അക്ഷരങ്ങൾ തന്നെയാണ് അധ്യാപകർ, ഹരിശ്രീയുടെ സുഹൃതങ്ങളാണവർ. അക്ഷരങ്ങൾ തന്നെയാണ് അധ്യാപകർ, ഹരിശ്രീയുടെ സുഹൃതങ്ങളാണവർ. അകക്കണ്ണുകൾ തുറന്നു മൂല്യമാം വിജ്ഞാനമേകി വളർത്തിടുന്നത് അധ്യാപകർ. അകക്കണ്ണുകൾ തുറന്ന് മൂല്യം വിജ്ഞാനമേകി വളർത്തിടുന്നത് അധ്യാപകർ. അക്ഷരങ്ങൾ തന്നെയാണ് അധ്യാപകർ, ഹരിശ്രീയുടെ സുഹൃതങ്ങളാണവർ. അക്ഷരങ്ങൾ തന്നെയാണ് അധ്യാപകർ, ഹരിശ്രീയുടെ സുഹൃതങ്ങളാണവർ. മാതാപിതാ ഗുരുദൈവമാണെന്ന് പ്രബോധനമോദിടുന്നത് അധ്യാപകർ. മാതാപിതാ ഗുരുദൈവമാണെന്ന് പ്രബോധനമോദിടുന്നത് അധ്യാപകർ. അക്ഷരങ്ങൾ തന്നെയാണ് അധ്യാപകർ, ഹരിശ്രീയുടെ സുഹൃതങ്ങളാണവർ. അക്ഷരങ്ങൾ തന്നെയാണ് അധ്യാപകർ, ഹരിശ്രീയുടെ സുഹൃതങ്ങളാണവർ. ആഘോഷമാണിന്ന് ആഘോഷമായി തന്നെ അധ്യാപക ദിനം നമുക്കാഘോഷിക്കാം. ആഘോഷമാണിന്ന് ആഘോഷമായി തന്നെ അധ്യാപക ദിനം നമുക്കാഘോഷിക്കാം. അക്ഷരങ്ങൾ തന്നെയാണ് അധ്യാപകർ, ഹരിശ്രീയുടെ സുഹൃതങ്ങളാണവർ. അക്ഷരങ്ങൾ തന്നെയാണ് അധ്യാപകർ. ഹരിശ്രീയുടെ സുഹൃതങ്ങളാണവർ.
Thank you, dear Kailash, for your melodious song. Here comes our Kumari Krishna Priya with a message on Teachers' Day. I do welcome Krishna Priya onto the stage.
A very good morning to the respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. We all have gathered here today to celebrate a Teachers' Day. This day is a special day for all of us where we can pay hearty tribute to our dear teachers. Join your hands, speak after me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshal Parat Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Teachers' Day celebrated on 5th September every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was second president of India. It is commemorate his birthday. He was great president, a scholar, and an excellent teacher. It is celebrated in all schools. In schools, various functions are held like dancing, singing, speeches, etc. Students give cards and gift to their teachers. They dress up as favorite teachers. Teachers are like our parents, our friends, our guide. So a big thank you to all my teachers. A very Teachers' Day. Thank you. Bye, Krishna Priya.
Thank you, Krishna Priya, for your valuable message. Now, friends, get ready for something special, something splendid and magnanimous, because we are going to witness the Guru Vandana, which keep the rays of hope and illuminating our hearts. Now, I call upon Anuya Valsan and co with the rhythmic steps. Thank you friends for your wonderful steps. Now we have here Miss Anna Nora with her words of gratitude. May I call upon Anna Nora for vote of thanks.
Good morning to you all. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thanks is just a word, yet it speaks volumes and volumes of hidden sentiments and gratitude within a heart. Now, let me extend my gratitude to our school management for giving us a golden chance to acknowledge our great teachers. Thank you, sisters, for your support and guidance to make this event such a fantastic one. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to our loving teachers for watching and encouraging us throughout the program. Thank you, dear teachers. Now, we have some extra personalities who worked a lot to make this day a fabulous one. Dear friends, your work and efforts made this occasion very grand. Once again, I express my gratitude to you, dear ones. At the last, but not the least, you, my dear friends, you were much patient and waited till the end of the program. Thank you, dear friends. Once again, thanking you all.